Hi Sam. I'm excited to see you today. We have a new word to learn.
Reparatur.
Hi Alex.
Reparatur.
What does that mean?
Great question.
Reparatur.
Means repair in English. It's often used for fixing something that's broken, like a car or a computer. The most common use is in the context of mechanical repairs, but it can also refer to fixing things in general.
I see. Is there anything I should watch out for, like false friends?
Yes, actually. Some English speakers might confuse
Reparatur.
with reputation. They sound similar but mean completely different things, so be careful with that.
How do I use
Reparatur.
grammatically?
Good question.
Reparatur.
Is a feminine noun, so we say
Die Reparatur.
the plural is.
Die Reparaturen.
You can think of it as a feminine word since it ends in.
Got it.
In the present tense, you could say
Ich mache eine Reparatur.
meaning I am making a repair. In past tense, you can use the Präteritum.
Ich machte eine Reparatur.
For the perfect tense, you would say
Ich habe eine Reparatur gemacht.
an imperative form isn't common for this noun since it's not a verb.
Ich mache eine Reparatur.
Is like saying I am doing a repair.
Exactly.
Where does the word
Reparatur.
come from?
It originates from the Latin word,
Reparare.
which means to repair or restore. It has evolved through Old High German as,
Reparatur.
keeping the meaning pretty consistent throughout history.
That's really interesting.
Now let's break down the word.
Reparatur.
It consists of the prefix, which means again or back, and the root,
Paratur.
which comes from the Latin verb meaning to prepare. So, it's like preparing something again.
That makes sense.
Unfortunately, it's not a compound word, so we can't break it down further. However, thinking of it as preparing again can help you remember.
Are there any similar words to
Reparatur.
Yes. There are quite a few. For example, words with the same prefix include
Reparieren.
to repair,
Reorganisieren.
to reorganize, and
Rezitieren.
to recite.
What about words with the same suffix?
Atur.
Great. We have
Kultur,
culture,
Natur,
nature, and
Struktur.
structure. Each refers to a specific field or concept.
And what about compound words?
A good example is,
Veranstaltung,
which means event. It combines
Wehr,
and,
Anstaltung,
meaning to arrange plus event.
How would I use?
Reparatur,
In real life.
Let's practice a few situations. Imagine your car is broken. You could say,
ich brauche eine Reparatur für mein Auto.
which means I need a repair for my car.
Ich brauche eine Reparatur für mein Auto.
Got it.
Good. Another situation could be at home. You might say,
Die Waschmaschine braucht eine Reparatur.
meaning the washing machine needs a repair.
Die Waschmaschine braucht eine Reparatur.
Perfect. Lastly, if you're at a computer shop, you could say,
Wie lange dauert die Reparatur?
which means how long does the repair take?
Wie lange dauert die Reparatur?
This is fun.
Remember, since
Reparatur.
is feminine, think of it as she when you're using it.
Okay, so.
Die Reparatur.
Is like she.
Exactly. A good mnemonic could be picturing a woman fixing something with great care.
Are there any common phrases with?
Reparatur.
Yes. You might hear,
Die Reparatur dauert lange.
the repair takes a long time.
Die Reparatur ist teuer.
The repair is expensive, and
Ich bringe mein Auto zur Reparatur.
I am taking my car for repair.
Those are useful.
Just be careful with similar sounding words like,
Reputation.
which we mentioned earlier. They can be confusing.
Can you give me a quick quiz about?
Reparatur.
Sure. First question, what is the gender of?
Reparatur.
It's feminine, right?
Correct. Second, what is the plural form?
Die Reparaturen.
Exactly. Next, can you give me the present tense sentence for I am making a repair?
Ich mache eine Reparatur.
Perfect. Now, what's the Latin origin of?
Reparatur.
It comes from.
Reparare.
Great. Last question, how do you say the washing machine needs a repair in German?
Die Waschmaschine braucht eine Reparatur.
Well done, Sam. You really grasped the word. So, to wrap up, today we learned about
Reparatur.
which means repair. It's a feminine noun that we can use in many everyday situations, especially when something is broken.
Thanks, Alex. I feel more confident using it now.
You're welcome. Keep practicing, and you'll be using it like a pro in no time.